So tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a oatmeal banana smoothie. Yes, oatmeal banana smoothie. So before I go, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about my videos so far. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Alright, so let's dive right into the main video. So I have here 2 bananas, some hazelnut, I have some oats using Quaker. I have I have milk, cinnamon, nutmeg. I have some yogurt. So I'm gonna get started, guys. Alright. So first let me, and I have my bullet, so let's start this video. Banana up everything, so you don't need to use too much. And I have this hazelnut that I'm using. Yes. Just add a little cinnamon for spice. Nutmeg. Use like a glass of milk. You can measure it, so you can use any milk you prefer. I don't think I'm gonna use the yogurt again. I'm just gonna use the milk and the banana. You can add a little syrup to yours for sweetness if you prefer your smoothie sweet. Yes, it's a cover is right here. I'm gonna cover. You can add some ice to it. I'm gonna add some ice. Like nice and cool. You might add a little bit of sugar for sweetness. This is like it's sweet, a little bit sweet. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar. Honey. Just add a little sugar. I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna blend, guys. And there you have it, guys. All done. My banana oatmeal smoothie. I'm gonna glass it now. looking delicious. So tasty. This is the breakfast smoothie. Filling, the oats filling, yeah. So this will last you for a longer time if you have it for breakfast. Yes, so you can go ahead and try the smoothie. So delicious, so nice. So it's my banana oatmeal smoothie. I use 2 bananas, some oats, cinnamon, nutmeg, ice, a little sugar. Yeah, that's it. Go ahead and try it, guys. You will like it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and leave me a comment on what you think about this nice smoothie. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.